Welcome to the command center. Way better. Can actually see now. Hey guys. It has been a while. 4 years since I've made my last video. And I decided, you know what? In the midst of this pandemic and crazy Rona experience that we're having right now here in New York City, I'd give you guys an inside look at exactly what it's like to live here right now. Follow me on my date. It's all down to you, little man. Well, unfortunately, this is what I came here for, and they're closed. I gotta figure out what to do for today. Alright, so one of two of our objectives are closed today, unfortunately. And first one was Best Buy, because I was going to go ahead and get some things. But this next one is for my haircut, because as you can tell, I really need one right now. It's been about 2 months in quarantine. So, oh well, you know what, in the meantime, let's go ahead and just explore around the city a little bit and enjoy the weather. As you can see, it's not completely dead. Market's up, we're up and running. Meantime, as I wait, we've also got a historic space launch going on today. It's the SpaceX and NASA launch of the Dragon capsule going on. Pretty exciting. Been waiting a long time for this moment. There's no better way to spend the day at the park.
68 degrees today. Correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 in 5,300 behind. That's why for the year so far.
It's so good.
Of course, the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system, and that wide band of fairly heavy snows. Now, what will happen each time that you see the frontal system on there?
Scrubbed. What? Kidding me.
So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part.
Well, good news. is we got the surprise. So look forward to something a little different from the channel real soon here. They still have these? What? Probably should wear one of these. It's not bad. Currently on my way to go meet up with my friend Joe. He just hit me up, so why not? Gonna go down to Southern Manhattan, out of all places, and grab a beer at an outdoor bar. So that should be pretty fun. As you can see, though, New York is totally empty right now. What's up, John? Shake Shack. It's time for some drunk munchies. That's what it's about. I figured, I wasn't talking a lot this entire vlog today because, I don't know, I'm just kind of getting back into it right now, not having done it for so long. And just looking forward to sharing a little bit more of the experience that I'm having here in New York City rather than just always showing it on Facebook, it's just like photos, posts once in a blue moon. So I'll give you guys a little bit more of like insight into how the city operates, what's going on with the people. I'll try to develop, some better, not so much editing techniques, but like just filming so I can maybe deliver a little bit of a better, just some insight into this world out here. Because it is a really cool world. I love New York. Now I gotta find this train, catch it before I miss it. So, alright, see you guys later.